Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll see abacus division method. So here dividend is 5 digit and divisor is 2 digit. So let's find out the values for 27. Single, double, half. Single you just add 0, and for double it's 54. If you want, you can calculate, just leave your ones place and then keep 2 and 7 over here, then divide over 5. So 2 5 25 over 5 is 5, and then 2 0 over 5 is 4. Okay, then we need to write down the half. Half is 135, so 2 half is 1 and 7 half is 3.5. So 3.5, right? Simply you can discard the decimal point. So these are the values for single, double and half. Next we are going to solve this problem on abacus. So first we need to see where you have to put the question. So that is 5 minus 2 minus 1, which is 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Means in second place you have to start your value, which is 7 6 8 9 6. Okay, 7 6 8 9 6. Then first we will consider 2 digits 7 6. Okay, then 27 is our divisor. So 27 is smaller than your dividend, so we can divide. So how many times? 2 times, not for 5 times. So 2 times, I am just keeping 2 over here. Okay, so 2 over here. Now we have to remove 54 from here, our dividend 76. So minus 5, then minus 4, minus 5 plus 1. So now our remainder is 22. So now we can't divide with the 27 because dividend is less compared to divisor. So we have to take value from our dividend, which is 8. So our next dividend is 228. So how many times? 5 times. So I need to keep 5 over here. So I need to remove 135, 1, 3. How to remove 3 here? So minus 10 plus 7, 1, 3, 5 here. So next one is, so you need to put 5 here. Okay, I'll keep 5 first here. Then our remainder is 9 3 93. So 93 still, whatever the remainder we got, we can still divide with the 27. So no need to change the quotient place, just we can put the bits on the same rod here. Okay, so 93 means 2 times. So 54, you have to remove 5, 4 here. So how to remove 4 here? Minus 10 plus 6. Okay, now the remainder is 3 9 39. I think still we can divide, that is 1. We can't go for 2 because 2 is more. So I'll go for 1. So again I will remove 2 7 over here. Then I got remainder is now the remainder is 12. So I can't further divide. So I must consider value from my dividend, which is 129 129. So now I have to divide. So 5 it's more, I'll go for 2. So here I am writing 2. So I have to remove 5 4 54 here. How to remove 5 here and remove 4. Now the remainder is 7 5 75. So here actually 2 is there, so I need to put 2 bits over here. Okay, so again I can divide this 75 with 2 times. So I am keeping one more 2 bits over here. Then I need to remove 5 here, 4 here. Now I got my remainder as 2 1 21. So now I can't divide this 21. So I must consider value from my dividend, so which is 6. So now my next value is 216. So 216, how many times? So whenever you are considering value from dividend, you should put your quotient on other rod. So now my next value will be here, but rod is busy, so I'll take out the values first 5 times. Okay, 5 times. So I am removing 1, 3 you must remove here. So we can't remove 3 over here. Then minus 10 plus 7 and 5 here. So now my next remainder is 8, 1, 81. So again I can divide with the 2 times. Already I need to put 5 here. So just put 5, then 2 times. So I have to remove 54, minus 5, minus 4. So how to remove minus 4? Minus 10 plus 6. Now I got remainder 2, 7, 27. So again I can divide with my dividend. So how many times? 1 time, and I have to remove 27. So what's the answer? 2848. 2848. If you didn't get the concept, just go through the video one more time, you will understand. Okay, so let's see next one. Eight, 3, 4, 7, 6. So first we will write down the single double value for 41. Single 041 and double is how much? So you need to leave ones place and you need to put here 4 and here 1. So and you have to do the crossover. 40 40 over 5, which is 8. Then 10 10 over 5 is 2. Okay, double is 82 and half is 4 half to 1 half 0.5. So simply you can discard decimal point. Okay, so now here also same rod we need to put our question. So 8, 3, 4, 7, 6. Okay, same positions 8, 3, 4, 7, 6. Okay, so first I will consider 2 digits, which is 83. So exactly, not exactly, near to 2 times. So which is 82 you have to remove. Okay, that's it. Now my remainder is 1. So I can't divide anymore. So I have to take value from my dividend, which is 476. So I am taking 4. So when I consider 4, whenever I take value from my dividend, so I should put my quotient here. Okay, so let's see, but still I can't divide. Okay, so again I should consider from dividend. So whenever you are considering second time, this quotient value will becomes how much? 0. So here it is 0 because we are taking value 2 times from our dividend. Okay, so next value, next dividend is 147. So how many times? 2 times. So here I need to put 2. This value is 0. Here I need to put 2. Okay, so 2, and I have to remove from this value 147 minus 82. So how to remove 8 here? Papa down, mama down, babies down, 8. So minus 2. Then the remainder is 65. Okay, and 65 still I can divide. So I can divide how many times? 65 means 1 time. So which is 41. So here already I should put 2 here and 1 more 3. So now I have to remove from this 65 41. So minus 4, minus 5 plus 1, and then minus 1, minus 5 plus 4. Now the remainder is 2, 4, 24. So again I can't divide 24. So I must consider value from my dividend, which is 6. Whenever I am considering value from my dividend, so the next quotient will be here. Okay, so here rod is busy. So first I will try to remove the bits, then I will try to put the value. So 246 means, so it's 5 times. So here it is 5. Okay, so I have to remove 205 over here. So 205. Now the remainder is 4141. So whatever the remainder I got, that is less than, not less than, equal to my divisor. So I can divide by 1 time. So I need to put here 5 and 1. Okay, I can remove 4141 also. Then what's the answer? I got 2035. 2035. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.